What up, family? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Deb.
I'm Aiden.
And before we get into much today, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we drop good eats like these. Welcome back. It's such a treat. Grab your plate, fam. Come on, let's eat. Before we get into much, check out the description box down below to get you 10% off your code using the coupon code COLDEST. Before you have a humongous salad. Now, sadly, I don't have any of my avocados, but I digress. And Fritz has a basic salad with some croutons, cucumbers, eggs. Well, no cucumbers, I lied. Eggs, croutons, salad, cheese. I have the works. I have Catalina, ranch dressing, some ham, some turkey, some chicken. What up, fam? Y'all can be anywhere on these YouTube streets, but y'all chose to be here with us. And for that, we sure do appreciate you. I am glad to have my oldest son joining us today. He took a break from construction work. Hold the bowl with your hand. You're not as experienced as daddy yet to do it with one hand yet, son. Had to get these boys together. And get some napkins. I don't know about any of you out there, but a good salad always hit the right spot. My table, my house, 5-second rule. Aiden Fritz really does enjoy eating his fruits and vegetables. He got more hype about the salad than he typically does about king crab. I'm just hopeful for the long term with that, because if that lasts, then that's a wonderful thing. Because you know, a lot of people don't like to eat fruits and vegetables. So going into this corn summer, what have you done to adapt and cope with it? So many places are opening back up. So many places have different protocols and procedures in place. They're like, don't punish us. We'll do our part to try to make sure that you don't contract it, but we want to be open for business too. I sliced up some turkey, ham, and chicken, like the deli slices. I've been having to have my appointments online with the VA as far as telephone. Because the VA is not open back up to take us for appointments here, at least until late July, early August. So the VA is opening up until late July, early August for actual face-to-face appointments. But I'm digging a phone because I would not be eager to get up out in these streets to go to the VA. Because it's a process to get there. And then our appointments used to be so far out in order to get them. Like scheduling my appointment there and then it's still like 3-4 weeks before I get an appointment. With the telephone appointments, I'm actually able to have an appointment every week. And that's actually what I prefer. Because I'm able to build a better bond with my primary care physician. Especially since they recently changed my primary care physician. Me and my primary care in San Antonio, but my therapist was a whole other thing. We purchased a new kitchen apparatus today. So hopefully soon you will see the fruits of those labors. We have a lot of hopefuls going on, but at the same time, when dealing with someone who has anxiety issues, sometimes things can take a little longer to get done. So bear with me. I'm working on it, and he ain't through me yet. There may not have been too many salad levels, but this video is on time.
I'm thirsty.
I'm trying to include like healthier fares into the rotation of things. Like some air fried food, baked, and grilled, of course. Cause fast food do be straight, not fast food, fried food do be straight, but I really don't have to have it. Now I've talked to my doctor about that today. Well, yesterday. My diet variances and things I'm doing to change them. ever since I was no longer able to receive one of my primary medications. My stomach just been doing nimbus. Got some more lettuce in here. So you looking forward to finding out what your sibling is?
I don't know.
So you're not ready to find out what kind of baby mama's having?
No.
You're not?
I don't know.
This kid. He gonna be talking to Black about it all and get off the video. Excuse me. He said, don't put me on the spot, Daddy. I've heard that some schools are already saying they're not opening back up in the fall and transitioning to online only courses, at least for the first semester. I'm trying to balance the coldest in the shot sun. Okay. As with any child, this one here, my son has his time, but overall, for the most part, he's an amazing big brother, and he's a great son to have. I'm thankful and I'm blessed to be your parent. Okay, y'all. Apparently, to have it stacked, I didn't have enough lettuce. So I'm gonna have to add some more lettuce so I can eat the rest of my toppings. Believe it or not, that's mostly ham, cucumbers, tomatoes, turkey, chicken, no lettuce. So of course, seeing where it is a salad. We weren't here too long. Love you guys. See you next video. And if you don't see us for a few days, our anniversary is coming up soon. So that may play a factor. We shall see. But until we know for a fact or for a sure fact.
Yay.
Love you.
You drink through here?
Yes. Love y'all. Thanks for coming to the video. I'm into that, man. It made me happy, son. I'm glad you joined me. So thank you for gracing me with your presence.